Hello everyone, myself Vikas Desai, Assistant Professor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department at AISSMS IIT. Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss how to design and implement full subtractor using decoder IC 74138. If I check the pin configuration of 74138, this 74138, we can say that it is nothing but a 3:8 demultiplexer, because there three input lines are available, that is nothing but a A0, A1, A2, and 8 output lines are available, Y0 to Y7. But in output section, all the output lines are active low. That means if I am giving a sequence, for example 0 0 0 at A0, A1 and A2, so Y0 output line will be get selected, but this Y0 will generate a logic 0 and other pins will generate a logic 1. To operate this in a regular action, three enable lines are there to activate the 74138. Out of that, pin number 4 and 5 are active low enable pins, and pin number 6 is a active high enable pin. So by keeping in this mind, we have to connect a 4, 5 to a ground and 6 to a VCC, then and then only the IC 74138 will in active mode. Next, to implement this full adder, we have to draw a truth table. In the left hand side, you can see the truth table of full subtractor. A, B, C, these are the inputs. On the basis of this value, we are calculating the difference and borrow. For 0 0 0, the difference is 0, borrow is 0. For 0 0 1, difference is 1, borrow is 1. In that same way, same fashion, we calculate the values for all the possible combinations. If I am considering a decimal value of this equivalent ABC, the difference will be 1 at decimal value 1, then decimal value 2, decimal value 3, sorry, decimal value 4, not 3, decimal value 4, and decimal value 7. So by keeping in this mind, if I am checking the difference section, the function will be for the difference f in bracket c comma b comma a is equals to summation small m in bracket 1 2 4 and 7. This summation and small m denotes that this expression is in the form of SOP, sum of product, and this small m meaning is mean term. So if I am writing the Boolean expression for this difference, so the expression will be d equals to y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus y7. But this expression is in the form of active high, and our IC 74138 gives output in active low mode. That means we have to convert this expression into a active low output. To convert this, we are going to apply a De Morgan's law and a bar on the expression, double bar on the expression. So if I am applying a De Morgan's law for this first bar line, so the conversion will be y1 plus y2 whole bar dot y4 plus y7 whole bar. The actual De Morgan's law is, if a plus b bar expression is there, so then the equivalent output is a bar dot b bar. On that basis, this expression is come into the picture. Next, again we are applying a De Morgan's law to the single bracket, and now the rule is, if y1 plus y2 bar is there, or example a plus b bar is there, so the output will be a bar dot b bar. So according to that, the expression will be y1 bar dot y2 bar dot in another bracket y4 bar dot y7 bar, and again a whole bar is remains, so that we write here whole bar. If again I am applying a De Morgan's theorem by considering this whole bar, the expression will be y1 bar dot y2 bar whole bar plus y4 bar dot y7 bar whole bar. So this is the final expression for the difference. Now moving towards the borrow. For these decimal values 1, 2, 3 and 7, in this truth table borrow becomes 1, otherwise for other values it remains 0. So again this is the expression, this is the function in terms of SOP. By considering these 1, 2, 3, 7, the borrow expression will be y1 plus y2 plus y3 and y7. By considering again the same logic which we use for the difference, double bar plus De Morgan's law, the final expression of a borrow equals to y1 bar dot y2 bar whole bar plus y3 bar dot y7 bar whole bar. Now by considering these two expressions, the next step will be to draw the logical diagram. So for this logical diagram we are going to use 4 NAND gates and 2 OR gates. So to conclude this video, to implement full subtractor using IC 74138, first step we have to draw a truth table of a full subtractor. Then according to the values of a borrow and a difference, we have to find out the expression, and that expression we have to convert it into active low output, and according to the Boolean expression we have to draw a logical diagram. Thank you. See you in next video.